give me that sunshine, sunshine. Give me them good times, good times. Nothing, nothing but good vibes, good vibes. Give me that sunshine, sunshine.
Kaya naman, dati pa talaga, gusto ko na po talaga yung pangalan niya. Kaya nung nagbuntis po ako, sabi ko, pag babae yung anak namin, kaya Maxine talaga yung una kong ipapakain.
Everyone has a soul, so let it shine.
Kaya sound po, humble po yung lumabas. Kaya hindi ka po namin binago yung Kaya.
Pinagbigyan namin ng artista ko, parang pinagsama ng pangalan niya.
Yung artista po from Patricia, tapos yung Pauline from Fowler. Nung dumating po yung kambal sa buhay namin, parang sobrang laki po yung pagbabago. Sila po yung parang nagbigay ng rason sa amin para mas galingan namin sa araw-araw.
Nakakahabang talaga ng pangit. Kasi yun na, hindi sila kasi siyempre, nung dumating sila dun nagbago lahat.
Give me that sunshine, sunshine. Give me them good times, good times. Nothing, nothing but good.
Happy birthday, Anarchy! Happy birthday, Anarchy! Happy birthday, Anarchy! Happy birthday, Anarchy!
Anak, happy birthday, AMRT. Sobrang love namin kayo. Lahat ng gusto nyo, binibigay namin. And lahat ng best para sa inyo, gagawin namin.
Masaya kami kasi kahit pa paano nabigyan namin kayo ng simple pero sige.
Give me that sunshine, sunshine. Give me them good times.
Happy birthday! Anarchy! We love you!
Love you.
Give me that sunshine, sunshine. Bring on the summertime. Bring on the summertime. Bring on the summertime. Bring on the summertime.
All right, everybody, one more time, clap your hands for Hea and Arky and that picture, guys, presented by Arjun Hills.